From questionable food safety and dirty pans
What is he doing? I just watched you wipe your face and then wipe a pan.
to dishes that made chefs physically react,
Oh, excuse me. Are you crazy?
Hell's Kitchen has seen it all, and some of it was hard to watch.
Where's the top of the finger gone?
We just cooked Maddie's finger. I might use it, I'm serious.
These are the most disgusting moments ever seen on Hell's Kitchen. One of the most disgusting moments in Hell's Kitchen happened in Season 11, Episode 7. Both teams were put to the test with a Chinese cuisine challenge. As the blue team claimed victory, the red team ended up with punishment. Well, it was not so simple. They had to eat balut eggs for lunch.
We have a balut egg, which is a baby chicken and an egg.
You gotta eat them fast, guys. I'm sorry.
We have to eat all of them?
I'm gonna say yes.
The lunch looked so gross that several of the women ended up puking.
Hold it back. Come on, guys. I would have rather have eaten raw chicken than what I just ate today.
Something similar happened in Season 15, Episode 4, but this time it wasn't during service. After a head-to-head duck dish challenge, the blue team earned themselves a luxury yacht reward. Meanwhile, the red team stayed behind to prep duck for the next dinner service. Once the punishment was over, the women were finally offered a snack. The moment the plates came out, it was clear something wasn't right.
Dinner is waiting for you on the patio.
What is that? Duck feet.
No.
This is just stank skin and feet and toenails and cartilage.
The red team members were visibly disgusted, faces dropping, reactions turning uncomfortable almost instantly.
I can't eat this.
Some chefs gagged, others struggled to keep it down. The snack clearly wasn't what anyone expected. Everyone, except Jackie. While her teammates were barely holding it together, Jackie picked up the duck feet and started eating them like chicken wings.
What is with you people? I'm eating them.
Oh, God.
You just sprayed that hot sauce right in my eye.
I'm so sorry. Move, don't my plate.
What was supposed to be one of the most disgusting punishment moments somehow turned into a hilarious one, all because one chef seemed to enjoy it a little too much.
Foot champion of the world.
If you think serving duck feet for lunch is disgusting, then imagine cooking food in a dirty pan. That's exactly what happened in Season 5, Episode 4. During a full dinner service, the entire blue team was feeling the pressure, but Seth had more on the line than anyone else.
Entree, one dory, one chicken, one lamb, one Wellington.
Right here.
Seth!
Yes, chef.
Come here. What did I just call out?
I don't know, chef.
No, I know you don't know, because you weren't even prepared to listen.
He was clearly overwhelmed, sweating non-stop and constantly wiping his face with a towel. Then came the moment that crossed the line. Instead of grabbing a clean cloth, Seth used the same towel to wipe down his pan, the one he was about to cook in.
What is he doing?
Chef Ramsay caught it instantly. The disgust on his face said everything. No yelling needed.
Hey you, come here. I just watched you wipe your face and then wipe a pan. If this one's for your nose, where's your cooking cloth?
I'll have to get one, chef.
In that moment, Hell's Kitchen didn't just go wrong. It went unsanitary.
Brilliant.
And unfortunately, the unhygienic moments didn't stop there. In Season 11, during a high-pressure steak night, both teams were rushing to push out sliders as fast as possible. That's when Mary managed to serve something extra no guest ever wants. As her slider was served, the customer instantly noticed something odd in her burger and sent it back.
I found a hair in my food. It's pretty disgusting.
Chef, I'm sorry. There's a hair in between the burger.
Hey.
Ramsay immediately called the entire team out, and more surprisingly, Mary admitted that it might be her hair. Pretty disgusting.
Hey, all of you, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
I guess it could have been my hair. My hair's really long.
Is that the best you can do?
Oh, chef, I could do better.
I want the better.
Yes, chef.
In the opening of Hell's Kitchen Season 8, all the chefs were setting their first impression on Chef Ramsay with their signature dish. But Antonia amazed Ramsay in a not-so-positive way. As she presented her dish, the look itself was disgusting.
It's a Mardi Gras gumbo.
Oh, God. Does it normally look like a plate of liquid?
No. Every time I make my gumbo, it always gets eaten. It's gonna be good.
Still, Ramsay gave it a taste, and within seconds he threw up.
Oh, excuse me.
God.
Are you crazy? Have you tasted that?
No, I didn't get a chance to taste it, chef.
So you cooked it and you didn't even taste it.
But instead of accepting the obvious, Antonia stood by her dish, insisting it wasn't that bad. The refusal only made things worse.
I'm so sorry you don't like it.
Don't like it?
I'm sorry it wasn't up to par.
Up to par. It's unedible.
Throw it out.
No, I'm not going to throw it out.
Ramsay made the entire kitchen to taste the dish, and their reaction said it all.
It was completely repulsive. I would have rather had a cat in my mouth than have eaten that any further.
Oh my God, how to explain that?
A big bowl of mud.
While Antonia's dish was inedible, Heather from season 16 managed to disgust the chef in a very different way. In episode 15, the final 3 chefs were competing head-to-head, preparing tableside dishes for a group of esteemed chefs. While preparing her dish to Chef Bruce, she tasted the dish with a spoon.
So what's the restaurant that you're at right now? What's that all about?
I actually work at a local college right now.
Do you think that since, like, you said you're working at a college?
And then without thinking, she made the worst mistake ever. Chef Bruce immediately caught it.
These girls are a little more seasoned because they're working in restaurants?
No, because actually once I got back on the line, I didn't
think it's good that you just double dipped your spoon? Yeah.
Realizing what she had done, Heather immediately tried to recover and started over, but the damage was already done.
Me. I apologize. I'll start over. I double dipped. That is the grossest thing you can do at tableside, and Bruce called me out on it.
In the first episode of season 12, Gaurav did something unbelievable. It was the opening night service in Hell's Kitchen, and the blue team had not even sent out a single risotto. As Ramsay was scolding them for the delayed service, something else caught his eyes. He saw Gaurav sticking his fingers inside the risotto, and then he licked his fingers.
There's nothing coming out. There's 9 of you standing there playing with yourselves. Oh no, hey you, hey.
Ramsay got so disgusted, he immediately slammed Gaurav. It even earned him a final warning.
Hey, come here, you. Would you not stick our fingers in the spoon, lick it, and then go back inside? What is this?
Sorry, chef.
Does anyone have any respect for the customer sat behind me?
I'll get a grip, chef.
Don't worry about getting a grip. Next time, you're out.
But what Gaurav did next was worse. He laughed it off, mocking the situation like nothing had happened.
Are you kidding me? You gonna not take my risotto just because I checked the rice and then finally clean my finger with my tongue?
In Hell's Kitchen, some chefs lose their reputation, while others lose more than that. During a 20-ingredient challenge in Season 4, Episode 8, things took a sudden turn when Matt accidentally chopped the tip of his finger. He immediately rushed to the medic.
You cut yourself?
Yeah, real bad. I just took off the tip of my finger.
Oh my God. We haven't got...
Woo.
It's pretty bad, huh?
Yeah, you cut the tip right off.
But back in the kitchen, something weird was happening. Everyone was looking for his fingertip.
Where's the top of the finger gone?
Oh, good question.
Find his finger.
I don't know where it is. I have no idea.
Things got disgusting when they realized it may have already ended up in the dish.
Oh, I'm not seeing anything there. Check the pancetta he was cutting. Gross.
Oh.
We just cooked Maddie's finger. I might use it. I'm serious.
Without missing a beat, Ramsay summed it up perfectly.
You just turned it into a 21-item challenge, finger patetta.
Oh, God.
Matt wasn't done yet. In episode 9, he delivered another unforgettable moment, and this time it happened during a chaotic dinner service.
Pasta is not cooked properly.
One more pappardelle on the fly, pasta undercooked.
The red team was already struggling to push out appetizers, and as plates finally started leaving the kitchen, they came right back.
The sauce was very salty.
The pasta is over salty.
The sauce is salty.
What's the matter?
Way too salty, chef.
Too salty.
And as the confusion built, Ramsay finally spotted the problem. Matt was sweating so heavily that it appeared to drip dangerously close to the food. At that point, Ramsay had lost it, and whatever patience he had left was gone.
Matt! You're dripping sweat.
Yes, chef.
Into the pappardelle.
Yes, chef.
So much that it's salty now.
Come on, Matt, don't let us go down right now.
I don't give a...
Why is he behaving like a baby? Hey!
Yes, chef.
Don't dare start throwing things around your pants. The quality's gone down.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, what do you want, a diaper?
No.
Stop acting like a baby!
Yes, chef.
Another disgusting moment came in season 15 during a communication challenge. After losing the challenge, the red team was sentenced to punishment, prepping Bas for dinner service. But that wasn't the worst part. Sous chef Christina arrived with a special lunch.
Time for lunch.
Time for lunch, ladies.
I made a nice fish head soup for you.
Oh, no.
The look of the dish alone was enough, and as the women started tasting it, they couldn't swallow it.
What is that?
I don't know. It's
Maybe a tongue.
Do you have a tongue?
This fish head soup.
Are you gonna vomit?
Jackie is disgusting.
No.
No. No.
Just like that, a simple punishment turned into one of the most nauseating moments of the season. Next in line comes Raymond from season 11, episode 2. It was the grand reopening of Hell's Kitchen, and Chef Ramsay had guaranteed a complete dinner service. That promise didn't last long. The blue team quickly began sending out food that wasn't up to the standard.
Oh, man. Look at that there. Stuck to the bottom of the pan.
As the mistakes piled up, Raymond managed to test Ramsay's patience even further. When he was asked to taste the risotto, Raymond did something unacceptable.
Taste that. Fingers. Winter.
That was the point where Ramsay completely lost it, leaving him no choice but to throw Raymond out.
Ray, you just stuck your finger into a risotto in front of Chef Ramsay in Hell's Kitchen. That's just stupid.
You may be the oldest, but out of respect, off. Yes, sir.